Meaning of H.
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 H. The meaning of H can vary depending on the context. In the scientific field, it is often used as a symbol for enthalpy, which is a thermodynamic property that measures the heat energy involved in a system at constant pressure. In mathematics, H can represent various concepts such as the Hamiltonian operator or the Hilbert space. It can also be a symbol for hydrogen in chemistry. Overall, H is a versatile letter that is used across different fields and disciplines with specific meanings depending on the context.